So this morning we woke up to the news that one of MK leaders has been asked, in fact has been removed from the party. She was asked to resign and apparently she didn't. I'm going to read the letter now. So because she didn't resign when she was asked to, they said that she mishandled funds or something. So bamgxothile basically. I see people on X asking, also, there's no disciplinary hearing. We need this person to go to an interview so that we can ask zeziphi funds that she misused. Some people are saying that no, she was removed so that she can open a way for advocate Mkhwebane. So let's read the letter and then you can make your own conclusion. So this is the letter. It says that dated the 17th, I think it was 2 days ago, a day ago. Statement: termination of membership of Mrs. Mary Party from AKP. MKP. I'm gonna attach a picture of her for you guys. In accordance with the directive issued by the High Command, Mrs. Mary Party was requested to voluntarily resign from the Mpumalanga Provincial Legislature within 3 days. Despite the directive, Mrs. Party has not complied, prompting a decision by the president of MKP to revoke her membership with immediate effect. So she was asked to resign. She didn't want to resign. So Jacob Zuma used the power invested in him by the MK Party and wayoxutha membership yakhe because Jay-Z has got the power to do so. Injalo ke ngoku. And then consequently, her affiliation with the Umkhonto party has been terminated. So she's been terminated in Jukotiwe Aganandao, period. And then it says that the decision follows thorough deliberations and is based on several significant allegations. Misappropriation of funds, so she misused funds, and as bringing the organization into disrepute, uyaxabanisa ungumxabanisi, and as ke uba uxabanise bani, but liphixi basically. Non-compliance with the leadership request, into ekuthiwa makazenze akazenzi, uyaqhankqalaza basically. So ugxothelwe ezo nto ke. Due to the gravity of this allegation, coupled with Mrs. Party's inadequate responses, the leadership has made an irrevocable final decision to terminate her membership. And her membership has been terminated. She's not only just removed from the legislature, but her membership has been terminated. The Speaker of Mpumalanga Provincial Legislature has been informed, and all letters terminating her membership by the President and National High Command have been sent to Mpumalanga Provincial Legislature. Hello?